This video is the assembly of the National 5 Graphics hand sanitizer bottle. So I'm going to go up to New, go to Assembly and click Standard Millimeters. I'm then going to go to Place in the top corner and find all of the parts for my hand sanitizer in my OneDrive. So I should have 3 parts, which is the bottle, the pump and the insert. You can hold down Shift and select them all and press Open. I'm going to click once and then press Escape on my keyboard to avoid placing more than one. Now all parts of the bottle join to the insert part. So I'm going to right click the insert and make sure that grounded is turned on. I'm then going to click constrain and I'm going to do the center of the insert to the center axis of the bottle and press OK. I'm then dragging the bottle out so that I can zoom in and constrain the top face of the bottle. And using my view, I'm going to click that onto the insert base part of the circle. Now this still means that the bottle can spin around, so I'm going to go to my modelling tree and I'm going to open up the origin folder of the bottle and the insert, and I'm going to find 2 planes that are running down the centre of each one and turn on their visibility. I'm then going to click constrain and change it to align and align both of those planes together, and that will stop the bottle from spinning. I've turned off the plane for the bottle just to make it a little bit easier. Now I'm going to do the pump. So again, I'm going to click constrain and do center to center and press OK. I'm then pulling the pump up and I'm going to constrain the very bottom of the pump to the inside of the hole at the top of the insert and press OK. And again, to avoid it spinning around, I'm going to go to my modelling tree and in the origin folder under the pump, I'm going to turn on the visibility of the plane that runs down the centre. I'm then going to click constrain and click one of the axes, make sure it's set to line and select the other axis, and that'll stop it spinning around. Lastly, I'm just turning off the visibility of all of the planes that I've got, and the bottle is now fully assembled. So I can go up to File, Save As, and save it into my OneDrive folder.